Alright, we got the fire going. Now we got to start this chicken prep. I would have liked to have had it marinating a lot longer, but... Douse it in pickle juice. Douse it. A couple pickles come out, it's okay. Douse it. There we go. Okay, good, good, good. Now we got the pickle juice on. You get a bunch more on my hands and all over the table, of course. Cross-contaminate everything. Alright, it's been marinating just a few minutes, but we need to get some spices on it. So we got Bearded Butcher's Black, and this is a Goya adobo in an alternative container. And we're just gonna heavily season that. Garlic. So that's gonna be our individually, and then I'm just gonna give it a bit of a roll, let it marinate a little bit longer in that juice while the fire gets ready. We'll probably put more seasoning on it as we put it on the fire, but I want a little bit of seasoning on it now to kind of soak into the meat. Sucks up that hot pickle juice.
Up there to kill every time. I got a picture with him the other day.
Oh, I think I'd like some tea with my dinner, so I spotted some mint over here in this field, so we're gonna go pick some of that. Yep, right there. This guy right here. That's some, I don't remember. So I always get confused. I'm pretty sure that this is spearmint, because we got spearmint and peppermint in the area. I always forget. I'm pretty sure that's spearmint. Smells like double mint gum. And I'm sure you guys can tell me that's spearmint. Anyway, it's mint. It smells really good, and we're gonna make some tea out of it. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful flower to go right in the pot. There's some bug bites on it, and we might get a few bugs in there, but they'll boil off. It's just a little bit of protein. And if we want some health benefits, red clover, let's get a couple of those. Get a little creeping Charlie in there too. So we got spearmint, a little creeping Charlie, some red clover, and we're gonna make some tea. That water's almost boiling already, so we're gonna go ahead and add our creeping Charlie, our clovers, and all of our mint. Go in there. Woo! We're gonna let that boil for a bit. Oh, that's boiling. That needs to cool off now. We got garlic. We're gonna just take a whole clove of garlic and just toss it on the grill. Now, I got these peppers because I like roasted red peppers. So we're gonna take that off. This one don't have, it's gonna go directly on the grill here. Too fast. I don't know. Always use a piece of wood to open that. Just saying. Yes. These peppers. Put that garlic. Oh, look at that roasted garlic. Oh yeah, that's looking roasty. Oh, look at that roasted pepper. Mmm. It's gonna be yummy. Woo, hot, hot, hot. Running out of light. Definitely not done now. Done. See if we can get it over to the cutting table. Pretty much done. I mean, it's got ashes on it too. All right, we got the pan on the fire getting warm. The noodles should be pretty close to done. But I realized I had not actually explained the dish that we're making tonight. We're actually making ourselves Alfredo with grilled chicken and roasted red peppers. So we're just doing like a fast Alfredo. We got our noodles cooking. We're gonna put our roasted garlic and our cheese and our half and half in the pan here in a minute. We're just gonna mix that in, and then we're gonna throw our noodles in, and we'll just add a little bit of pasta water as we need it. Waiting for the butter to arrive. We got some fancy butter from our excursion to Maine that you may have seen in some of my TikTok videos. But that's gonna go in there. Our half and half, put in this container, that's half and half. It's got this 4-cheese blend, Italian style. It's got like a bunch of different kinds of things in it. Provolone, Romano, Parmesan, Asiago. The most important part of the Alfredo sauce is the roasted garlic. Okay, we're gonna take our roasted garlic and squeeze it out. Not quite as roasted as I'd like it to be. Get it all mashed up in there. Milk with our garlic. Chunk out before we're done. And chunks of garlic out after the flavor's infused. Okay, that come out. Infused with that. Down. That's nice and solid. It was in the fridge. Cheers. Oh yeah, look at that sauce, guys. Oh yeah. I gotta get off there though. All right, sun's down, but we got everything cooked. Now it's time to put it together into a meal. So you're really just gonna use these peppers as a garnish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this one in half. I'm not even sure I'll use the red ones because there's gonna be so much pepper. Just wanna get rid of the seeds. Toss those over in the field for the critters. Make sure the raccoons have something to eat because they're gonna be mad we're in their spot. We'll give them a treat, make sure it's way out of our way. Oh, it smells so good. This is gonna be good, guys. Seeds out. Oh yeah. Sweet red pepper. I'm not sure that I even need to. We're gonna change the plan a little bit. I was gonna like put a little sauce and a little thing on each one, but my sauce is already starting to thicken because it's been out for the fire for a minute. There's just enough pasta water left on these noodles. All right, and now I'm just gonna, oh yeah, there's just the right amount of pasta water left in there. That's gonna give it that perfect creamy texture. Look at that. Let's see if we can use our old, maybe. This is a spatula I made myself. It's going to be a mess to clean up anyway. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Go with some chicken breast and we'll chop that up. Or not chicken breast, chicken thigh, sorry. You don't want breast because that gets too dry when you cook it like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, a few of these on there. A few of these on there. A few of these on there. Well, it's a mess, but dinner's served. And I guarantee you it's going to taste really good. It came out really good. I put a little bit of adobo on it, get that little salt on there to make that flavor pop after it was all cooked. But yeah, oh man, that's good. And it was definitely a good choice to do the thighs because they didn't dry out or nothing. They're still nice and moist and tender, even after like all that overcooking, basically. It's good. And the sweetness of the peppers, I love them. I love roasted red peppers and bell pepper, but it came out just right for me. What do you guys think?
It's good.
Pretty good.
Awesome. Well, I'm gonna finish this up and then I'm gonna crawl in this thing and pass out. We'll see you in the morning. The tea. Can you see the tea? It came out pretty good. It's cooled down now, so it's nice and kind of refreshing. Yeah, that's really good. Spearmint and Clover and a little piece of creeping Charlie in there too, which is, I think it's in the mint family as well because it has a square stem. Good for you.